Shake apart. Sometimes they don't want to come apart. Shake it, shake it. There's definitely better ways to do this, but like I said, I'm not sure. Oh, normal gardener. Should probably find somebody more talented at that. Oh no. Okay. You should probably space them out better. But listen. It's a little chilly still out. And like I said, you should probably space them out further. Sometimes they get overcrowded though inside the buckets. Alright. Inside, Leah. Inside. No, princess. No. No. Inside. Inside, Nova. We're going to take these rows back just a little bit. Add some more over here. Just gonna drape them to the side. And pinch.